Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your cards in Google Pay. First, open the Google Wallet app on your Android phone. Look for the Add to Wallet button, usually a plus sign, and choose Payment Card. You can then either manually type in your card information or simply scan it using your phone's camera. After entering the details, your bank will likely ask you to verify the card, perhaps with a text message code or through their banking app. This quick process takes just a few moments. Making in-store payments with Google Pay is incredibly simple and fast. First, make sure your phone's near field communication, or NFC, is enabled in your settings for contactless transactions. When you're ready to pay, simply wake your phone. You don't even need to open the app, and hold it close to the payment terminal. Look for the contactless payment symbol on the terminal. A quick beep and a check mark on your screen will confirm that your payment has gone through successfully, usually in under 2 seconds. Google Pay also makes online and in-app purchases much smoother. When you're checking out on a website or within an app, simply look for and select the Google Pay button as your preferred payment option. You'll then be prompted to confirm your purchase using your device's security, like your fingerprint or face unlock. Google Pay can even pre-fill your shipping and billing information, saving you valuable time and ensuring your details are entered accurately. It's a secure and convenient way to shop. One of the biggest advantages of using Google Pay is its robust security. When you pay, your actual card number is never shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique encrypted number, or token, is used for each transaction. This tokenization, combined with Google's advanced security infrastructure, provides strong protection against fraud. You also benefit from faster checkout times and the convenience of not needing to carry a physical wallet, making your daily transactions more secure and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.